Good evening, all. So, as in the class, I have taught you people about the modern techniques of PVV ratio, the capital budgeting, the modern techniques with the time values we have discussed in the class. So, regarding this one, as I have told you, we are going to have in the modern techniques, first is as it is PBT technique, and the second one we are going to have is PV, which is called present value, and then you have NPV, and then I said IRR method. So for all these things, I have already told you the profits should be after tax but before depreciation. So we call this one with in this format also. That is, we call this one as CFATD. The CFATD, which means PD, which means cash flows after tax but a bit before depreciation. So how the process should be done? First, a tax has to be deducted at the last. That means the depreciation has to be deducted first. Then whatever the profit we will be left over with, that from that profit we will calculate the tax percentage and we will deduct the tax. And once we have deducted a tax, then the earlier which the depreciation was deducted will be added back. This is fine now. So here the cash flows after tax or before depreciation means usually the depreciation has to be deducted first, then only the tax has to be deducted. But as the formula says, first you have to deduct the tax and depreciation. So procedure we will follow the same. That is deducting the depreciation, then a tax. But as it is after, again we have to add back a depreciation. So what I'm doing, earlier whatever I have deducted, I'm just re-adding it. So regarding this one, we are going to do few formulas. So the first one, the first formula, first one, I'm taking a sum wherein my investment he gave me around 1,60,000. And then what he has given me is like every year the net cash inflow is the same, that is 48,000. So this is my cash inflow. And here he has not mentioned me anything regarding it is after tax or before depreciation. Nothing he has given. Just he has mentioned me as an investment and then he has given me a cash inflow. So in such case, whatever he has given, I will assume as he didn't mention me anything, we can assume this one to be CFATD. So whenever a cash inflows are not been mentioned regarding what it is it after or before, then you can assume as it is what you require. So I require to do a sum is CFATD. So as you didn't mention me anything, I'll assume it is CFATD, means cash flows after tax but before depreciation. Now here he has given me a total years of life is equal to 6 years. So the life of the project or a life of the asset is 6 years. Now from this one, I'm going to find out the net present value. So among a PBT, PV and NPV, we are going to do the second one and the third one. Now when you have got for 6 years, the inflows are common. Then here, the discounting factor he has given 8%. So this is the total given information. Now, whenever you have a equal kind of a cash inflows, there is no such condition that every year for 6 years, if it is 48,000 same. So here it is not required that you should multiply year wisely. There is one simple and easy technique to solve this sum in a few seconds. So how we are going to do is, along with this information, he is going to give you one more formula, one more value, which he said as PV of annuity. Whenever this annuity table is a one, we are going to use when our cash inflows are equal for all the years. Okay, fine. So when we are going to use the annuity table, when my cash inflows are equal for all the years. So when I check this my annuity table at the 8% discount factor, it is showing me around 4.623. 4.623. So this is my rupee 1 value at annuity table at a discount factor of 8%. So this using this one within a very short time we can solve the sum. So how it is now I got to know about my cash investment, my cash inflows, my life of project and my discounting factor. Simply I will go for how I'm going to solve it. I'm going to go for multiplying, therefore using the above information, therefore our present value of cash inflows at 8% is 48,000 into what is the annuity table showed me 6 years to 8% లో దాని వాల్యూ వచ్చేసి 4.623. The for the 6 years of life at 8% of discounting factor, my annuity table is showing me the value of 4.623. So simply we are going to multiply it. So when I multiplied it, the value I got is called as present value. Because we have multiplied the actual value of my rupee at their 6 years of life. So I got 2,21,904. So these we call it as a present value, or in a simple we call PV value. Now how I'm going to find out my NPV value? So NPV value is NPV is equal to investments minus present value minus investment. So therefore, we got to know how much is the present value. So how much we got a present value? 2,21,904. And how much is the investment he gave? 1,60,000. So therefore, my NPV means net present value. So net present value is the investment minus the profits. So I got the answer is 61,904. So this is your answer. So this is your first answer. Now, however, we have come here, so better I am I show you even a profitability index also. Yeah, one more thing I have forgot about it. We have one more thing is PI. PI means it's a profitable index. So profitable index is also very easy. The, the formula for the profitable index is, so here the profitable index value we are going to find out with just having a PV and an investment. So these two are sufficient to find out your profitability index. So the formula goes on, profitability index is equal to the present value, simply write present value of cash inflows divided by investments. Actually, it is also said as present value of investment, but here we are not going to go for finding out any present value of investment, because if the present value of investment, if we find out also now, it will be one the value of the first year or 0 year is equal to 1,60,000 into 1, which is equal to, again it will be the same. So that's why again present value of investment, if you find out also, it will be the same answer. So that is the reason I'm giving present value of cash inflows divided by, we can say as investment, or we can say as a present value of cash inflow. If you multiply also, it is the same answer. So now already we have got the present value. No? So how much I got? 2,21,000. So same thing, I'll just apply it. So that is 2,21,904 divided by 1,60,000. So when you do it, how much will be the answer? Let me find out with my calculator. So 2,21,904 divided by 1,60,000 is equal to, I got 1.3869. 1.3869. So therefore my answer is equal to 1.3869. So this is your profitability index. So this is a very, very simple formula. So if you know how to go for finding out a discounting factor, so this is gonna be very, very easy for you people to find out. Now, we are going to do one more sum wherein my cash inflows are unequal. So now let's go with the same thing wherein my investment is 1 lakh, and whereas he has given the life. Again here also he didn't mention anything now, not about whether it is of after depreciation or after tax, nothing he has mentioned it. So we'll assume that it is as usual when he didn't mention whatever I require. CF ATB, it is the same allergy. So here it is here, and here I have my cash inflows, which I also will assume as CF ATB. Now, one first year, he gave me 150,000. Second year, he gave us 140,000. Third year, he gave us 30. And the fourth year, he gave us 10,000. So this is what he has given. And the next one he has given is discounting factor DS at the rate of 10% he has mentioned. So the points are 0.909, second year is 0.826, third year is 0.751, and the last fourth year 0.683. So these are the things. So what do we have to do it now? Simply we are going to go for multiplying. So therefore my present values are PV values. So whatever my cash CFATD is there, if I am multiplying with these values, then that is called my PV values, present values. So here I'm again using my calcium. So here the first one is 50,000 into 0.909 is equal to, I got some 45,450. So here first one 45,450, and second one is equal to 40,000 into 0.826, which is equal to 33,040. So 33,040. This is second one. And the third one is 30,000 into 0.751, which is equal to 22,530. 22,530. So here 22,530 I'm going to take. And the last one is equal to 10,000 multiplied with discounting factor 0.683 is equal to 6,830. So 6,830. Now these are my total present value. So what we are going to do is, now I need to do total present value, how much it is now. So that's why now I'm going to add this one. So how I'm going to add? First one I got 45,450 plus 33,000 0 0 plus 22,530 plus 6,830, which is equal to 1,07,850. I got it. So here the total is equal to 1,07,008. What is the answer? 850. Okay. So 850 is my answer. So this is, we call it as my present value. The present value is equal to this much. Now from this one I need to find out my net present value. So what will do? Present value, I have already told you the formula. So what is the formula for net present value? Is equal to PV minus investment. So therefore, is equal to PV we got is 1,07,850. Now minus how much is the investment we have written on the other? This much. So therefore, my NPV is equal to NPV is equal to 7,850. Is this fine? This is our answer. Now again the same. If I'm going to use my profitability index, so what is the formula I said? Profitability index is equal to is equal to PV of cash inflows divided by PV of cash outflows. So what is it? Outflows is nothing but yeah, investment. So if I go with my present value of my investment, I said in the 0 year it will be one only. So that's why it is going to be as usual 1 lakh. But whereas how much we got the present value of this one? The present value of this one we got is this one it is going to be. The present value means this stuff. So present value we are going to take this formula. So how I'm going to go with present value is 1,07,850 then divided by 1 lakh. Just now we have got it. So how much is that? 1 lakh. So therefore, my answer is going to be, let me calculate in my calculation. So 1,07,850 divided by 1 lakh is equal to 1,07,850 divided by 1 lakh is equal to 1.0785. Is equal to answer is 1.0785. So this is your answer of profitability index. So as I have told here, so the present value, the NPV and the PI are same. So what is the PBT? Means the PBT also just we are going to go with. Now here when I have got this value, my PBT will be in this format. Now see, simply I go with my cumulative. So I am telling you about if I do my payback period. So payback period using a modern technique when I do it, I go for finding out a cumulative based on our cash inflows only. So here it will be how much? First one as usual 450. Then second year it will be how much more? If I calculate, it is going to be 45 450 plus 33,040. It is going to be 78,490. So 78,490 here. And then in the third year again 78,490 into 8,490 plus 22,530. That is going to be 1,01,020. 101020. So that is going to be 101020. Then last we are going to add the last one is this one. So 101020 plus 6,830, which is equal to 1,07,850. The last answer, whatever we got, 1,07,850. This is the answer we have got it. Now, what is that I have taught you? What we are going to see when we are going to find out the payback period? We'll see where is our investment lying. So, how much is our investment? Our investment is 1 lakh. So, where in this part, where my investment is lying, I need to find out. So when I go with it, my investment is lying between second and the third financial year. So this is my financial year where it is lying. So this one I am going to take this 2 years. So we are going to go with taking these 2 years as our calculation part. Okay. So in this one, what is that we'll do? So let me go with this one. So here I'm finding out my payback period. So the formula will be the same. Payback period is equal to least year plus investment minus cumulative of least year, then divided with cash inflow of preceding year. Okay, then now we'll apply. So what is the least year among these two? 2 is our least year. So I have taken 2 less. Now above is how much is my investment? 1 lakh. And how much is my cumulative year is 78,490. Then divided by cumulative cash inflow of the preceding year, that is 22,530. So shall we do this one now? Solve it. So using our calculator. So that is equal to, so how much? Let me use my calculator. 1 lakh minus 78,490. 1 lakh minus 78,490 is equal to 21,510. I got it. So 21,510 is, so 2 plus 21,510. Right, hello, 530. 510. So 21,510 divided by 2. 22,530. 22,530. So therefore, answer is equal to 2 plus, we'll divide it now. 21, 21,510 divided by 22,530 is equal to 0.95. I'm stopping. So 0.95. So which is equal to how much now? 2.95 years. So within, I'm going to get my investment within 2 years, 9 months. So we are going to write this one as 2 years, 9 months. So this is how our payback period is. So hope you have understood. Then in the next class, we are going to deal with the next regarding IRR.